I'm going to try to make this as concise as possible. If you're just looking for the fix and you're not interested in the preamble here, go to this timestamp. It's also in the chapters. This is an NVIDIA only fix. I don't have an AMD graphics card. Welcome back. So as you can see, I'm running two monitors here. Very different monitors. One is connected with an HDMI port. It's an ultra-wide monitor running at 60 Hertz. It's made by LG. The other one, it's made by BenQ. It's a 144 Hertz monitor, and it's connected using a display port. Completely different monitors made in different years. Now, I've discovered this interesting problem on my own. There's people talking about it online. Not that much, though. About how when you have two different monitors, like my setup here, Linux Mint, because I'm running Linux Mint, likes to throttle the higher refresh rate monitor into being the same refresh rate as the lower one. So today we're going to talk about how to fix that, and I'll show you exactly how. I'm going to give credit to the original finder as well. The way I discovered this was playing games, and it just felt wrong. Like even on Kubuntu, it was also, I think maybe had this issue, but I didn't go into that with Kubuntu because I thought it was just a Kubuntu issue. But I'm having the same problem here on Linux instead. Even though it's 144 Hertz, it's stuck at 60 Hertz as long as this one is active in the operating system and it's being used. Unless the fix. So let's get into that fix, switch over to the desktop, and yeah, I'll meet you there in a sec. Okay, we're here on the desktop. Welcome. It's a pretty simple desktop. And first off, I want to give credit to this thread here. Yeah, I don't know his username because it's been since deleted. This is exactly where I got the fix. And just something to note, you might not have to do all of this because somebody here in the comments said they only needed to add the one line in instead of all of these lines. But I'm going to do all of them. Essentially, if you just want to try out the one line, which is, I believe, displayed this line here. You can try it. It's the same process. So first things first, as he describes, you want to go to, well, just open up NVIDIA X server settings. Once you're in here, you want to go to the OpenGL settings. And now he describes needing to disable both allow flipping and sync to VBlank. And that's it. That's all you need to do in here. However, you might have to restart this app every time you start your computer. It's system to system. Last time I did this, I didn't need to reopen it, but it varies. And once you quit out, that's the end of that section. And now we're getting to the more technical. Next step, take your file manager and just type in etc in the bar up here. But it's not that easy, actually. We need to open this folder up in root because a lot of these things are read-only. You can't edit them without admin privileges. So once you're in here, right-click on an empty space, open as root, and type in your password. Bam. Now it's open to as root, elevated privileges, as you can see. And you want to scroll down until you see a file here. It should be in alphabetical order, so called environment. Just open that up, that bad boy, copy this. It'll be in the description, and put it right at the bottom. Now you want to edit this. So you can leave GL sync V to VBlank to 0 if you'd like. You probably don't even have to add this, but I am. Now, whatever your highest refresh rate monitor is, you want to set it to, I think, the same, 144. And then you want to sync display device to whichever monitor you want preference. But it's not just BenQ 144, whatever name. Okay. In order to find out which monitor it is, it's actually super simple. Right click on your desktop, display settings. And now you'll see in the top left of this recording here, it actually on each one of your monitors, it'll display in different colors the exact thing. DP4 is the monitor that I will be syncing mine to, whereas my other monitor says HDMI 0. So whatever monitor you want to do, you put that in. So DP-4. Save that document, and all you got to do is restart your computer, and it should be good to go. After you restart your computer, though, you might have to restart the NVIDIA server settings every single time. I don't think I'll need to. Last time I did this, I didn't need to, but you never know. Linux can be finicky. So yeah, that's literally just the fix. It's super easy. It took me forever to figure it out on my own. And well, clearly I didn't, because I read this and I learned how to do it from this. All right, thank you for watching. That is how you get your 144 hertz, 165 hertz, 250, whatever monitor working with a different monitor with a different refresh rate. Thank you for watching. If you found this fix helpful, like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.